Well guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Temu order. So once you have done the order and it's now processing, you want to go ahead and click on that right there. And after that you will see that cancel items options. So now just click cancel the items and cancel the order now. After that, choose an item which you want to cancel. For example, maybe you want to cancel only one. And after that, for example, I'm just going to choose 2, click next. Now you choose why you want to make a cancellation. So for example, order created by mistake maybe, and click next step. And now you can choose how you want to receive it in the Temu credit balance, or you can receive your refund by original payment method and then just submit it. So for example, I want to receive it in my original payment method like Apple Pay, and then click submit. And then again, refund to original payment method, and yes, cancel items. And now your refund will be refunded. It typically takes less than 5 minutes, but it may take a few days. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.